Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sona English Academy. My name is Sona and I am from UP. So today is day 11 of my challenge of 30 days learning real life English, where we don't use filters, editing, no cuts, no takes, no retakes, no filters at all. One take shoot. And I'm very happy that I'm at least confident enough to shoot one take video. This was really impossible when I used to think that one day I will make video in which I will be speaking whatever will be coming in my mind. I will just speak. I will not take or retake. And today I'm not saying that I'm very confident, I'm perfect, but at least I am making one short video. That's a big deal, right? So today, before diving to the main topic, let me tell you one thing that yesterday I came across a friend who was speaking in English, and I was really very surprised to see her speaking English because it was 6 months ago when she met me, and she asked me that I don't know how to speak in English, and whenever I start thinking, everything is there in Hindi, everything in my mind was there in Hindi. Then I told her that she should think in English, and how to think I told her. Then she followed the same routine which I told her, and now yesterday she was speaking in English fluently. I'm not saying she was speaking perfectly, but she was fluent enough to speak whatever she wanted to speak. And the same technique, yesterday when I met her, I thought that I should also make video on this technique, on this method. So today I'm just gonna tell you the same method which I told her, she followed, and she is fluent enough as she want to speak. Whatever she want to speak, she speaks. And so the method is W and E. W-E method. Yes, you might be surprised. You might be thinking that what is W-E method? Yes, W stands for watch, E stands for explain. Right? So the method is watch and explain. Don't let anything without explaining. You are at home, and lots of things are there at home which you see, which you come across twice, as many times as you come across. Come across means whenever you see, right? So if you get tired of explaining the things at home, you can go outside, and whenever you go outside, so many things come across. We see lots of things which we don't want to see, but the work of our eyes is to see. That's why we see everything. For example, if we go to the market, if we go to the garden, we see lots of trees. So whenever we see anything, we shouldn't think the name of those things in Hindi. For example, we are watching a tree. We shouldn't think tree as ped. We should always think tree as a tree and try to explain. Watch and explain. Watch and explain. Watch and explain. Guys, just repeat this activity only for 1 month, and I can guarantee you that you will level up your English. If your level is here, it will definitely be improved. For example, you are going somewhere and you came across a shop of a toy. Then try to explain the shop. Yesterday I was going and I came across a toy shop, and lots of toys were there. Some toys were cartoon, in shape of cartoon, some toys were in shape of butterflies, and lots of things you can explain. So many. I liked the toy that was a butterfly, and that was a Mickey Mouse, and it was red in color, it was black in color, and when I touched it, it starts sounding, and it was really very happy moment for me to see that toy, because I had never seen that that type of toy in my life, because it was moving, it was speaking, it was talking, it was responding, right? It was just an example. If you go to the garden, you see tree. I saw lots of trees, and the trunk of the tree was brown, and the leaves were, some leaves were green, some leaves were yellow, and some were brown, the brown leaves were falling when the air was blowing, the leaves were falling. So many things to explain. And at our home also, for example, let me complete the outside scene. Sometimes you see some animals running on the road. You can explain, I saw a dog, he was going with his puppies, and I saw four puppies, and they were of white color. They were looking very nice, and they were walking with their father, and their father were looking after them, and they were crossing the road. And when I was going there, they saw me, and I gave, while they were going, I was also going, but I got stopped. I stopped just because they were going. I gave them way to go, to move, right? For example, at our home also, let me show you something. For example, this is my study table, and let me tell you, this is a remote. And if I am watching the remote, I can explain that this is a remote, and it helps me when I watch TV, when if I want to change the channel, if I want to see movie, if I want to watch songs, if I want to listen song, lots of things. If I want to change the channel, it helps me. It has red color button, which helps me to switch on the TV and switch off the TV. It has blue color also, red color, green color, yellow color, and blue color, right? Then other, there is a vase, and it is blue in color. It has silver balls on its strips, and there is black strips, there is white portion, and there is a pen stand. It helps me to arrange my stationery. For example, it has divider, right? It has dividers. Here I put my razor and sharpener, here the pens, here the markers, and also the markers here. And here in that portion, I put my pencils, which are short in size. And after that, I have a lamp, right? It is white in color, and it has light, and it helps me when light is not there, and when my son gets sleep, and I don't switch on the light, and I have to study, and I have to make videos, then I use it. In this night lamp, in this light of this lamp, I used to study. So don't think that you can't work on your speaking. You can practice at home, lots of things, guys, lots of things. You can see the mirror, right? And if I'm looking into the mirror, I can explain, it is mirror, and it helps me to get ready when I used to go somewhere, when I go somewhere to the market, or to the friend, or to anywhere. If I go somewhere, I get ready in front of the mirror, because it makes me feel that am I looking fine, or is there something needed, right? So lots of things, guys. Watch and explain, watch and explain, watch and explain. This helped me a lot when I was the beginner, and I used to be at home, and I was not rich enough to go to the centers, to go to the institution, and have expensive courses. No, I was not like that. So I used to explain the things. I used to watch everything in my room, and I used to explain. This builds up your sentence construction, and it helps us to improve our spoken, to improve word building. Because when we try to explain something, lots of things comes into our mind naturally. As when I started making this video, whatever I am speaking, nothing was thought, nothing was in my mind. I just thought that I will make video on this method, WHWE method. Then it was only one thing in my mind, that I will make video how to think in English, and the method was WE, watch and explain, watch and explain. Whatever I'm speaking, that is coming naturally in my mind, because I want to speak. Because if we decide to speak, there is no limit to speak. We can speak as much as we want, but we have to be concentrated. And all the people are trying, billions of people are trying to speak in English, but they fail just because lack of right method. They don't know the right method, the right techniques. English is not about being very talented, being very knowledgeable, being very good at study. No, spoken is not about all these things. Fluency is only about concentration on right methods. So try this method at least for 1 month with consistency, without breaking the consistency, because consistency plays a crucial role in our process, learning process. Whatever we are doing, if we are consistent, then result is 100% good. So try this, and this was all about WE, watch and explain, watch and explain. Start, make a habit of explaining the things. Whatever is watched by your eyes work is to watch, and your mouth work is to explain. Your eyes will see, your mouth will explain. Your eyes will see, your mouth will explain, and you will become a fluent speaker over the time. But patiently, you have to be consistent. Result will not come out within 2-3 days. It will really not within 2-3 days, but 100% sure it will come out after 30 days. Depends on your passion, depends on your consistency, depends on your practice. So be consistent, do this practice. I daily tell you one practice, and I am also speaking, I'm also practicing by making videos. What I'm doing, I'm not earning anything, I'm just making videos because they are giving me satisfaction, and I'm feeling very happy that at least I'm able to make one short video. Sometimes it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and I'm really feeling very happy that I'm able. Once it was my dream to speak English in one take before the camera, and today I'm speaking. My dream has come true. And now my dream is what? My dream is to be as much fluent as I speak like a native speaker. If this dream has come true, the dreaming of, what should I say, dreaming of speaking like a native speaker, that will definitely that will also come true. I'm getting emotional, that's why my words are being shaken. I just want you to do the same. I just also want you to become as much fluent as you want. If from here I can come here and definitely I will be there, then you can also do the same thing. But you have to follow each and everything wholeheartedly, consistently, and passionately. Right? So this was all about today, and catch you in the next video with another technique, another method, another activity. So, and have a smile on your face. But wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like the video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And now I'm getting emotional, that's why my words are being shaken. and I don't know what I'm speaking. I just want you to write something in the comment section that do you like it or do you dislike it. Be free to comment anything. Everything will be accepted. So catch you in the next video. Goodbye and have a smile on your face.